Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Adani Erika by Adani Realty located in Kanjurmarg West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and towards my left is the actual land parcel of the project where the tower's construction will soon begin. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, maintenance, parking, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 9 acres that will have total of 5 towers. As you can see in the model, they will be developed phase-wise, phase 1 consisting of 3 towers and phase 2 consisting of 2 towers having basement, ground, 3 podium and 34 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on LBS Road opposite to Neptune Mall, Kanjurmarg. From where Neptune Mall is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Bhandup Station is only at a distance of 1 km, Kanjurmarg Station is only at a distance of 1.6 km and GMLR is only at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities and internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with indoor and outdoor swimming pool, and as you can see in the model, it also has a gym, senior citizen zone, kids play area, indoor games, banquets, garden, football court, basketball court and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the master plan, as you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Adani Erika. Here you can see these are the towers T1, T2 and T4 which is already launched in phase 1, and now in phase 2 they will be launching tower T3 and T5 having 2, 3 and 4 BHK with 2 BHK of 738 to 888 square feet, 3 BHK of 1175 to 1347 square feet and 4 BHK of 1565 and 1730 square feet. Let's now have a look at some of the floor plans. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 1 with each floor having 8 flats, 7 lifts and 2 staircases. As you can see, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 4 with each floor having 8 flats, 9 lifts and 2 staircases. And this is the typical floor plan of Tower 2 with each floor having 6 flats, 7 lifts and 2 staircases. And now let's have a look at some of the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 738 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1175 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK of 1730 square feet. And now talking about the maintenance varies with configuration with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 7,000 to 8,000 per month, 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 11,000 to 12,000 per month and 4 BHK maintenance ranging between 15,000 to 16,000 per month. Talking about the parking part, this project has stacked surface and podium level of car parking facilities. And now talking about the possession, the RERA possession date for the project is of December 2029, but the target possession is for December 2028. Also talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Adani Erika by Adani Realty located in Kanjurmarg West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.